Okay, Module C, Learning Objective 2 homework. So we're dealing with liability to clients. So C29, a lack of reasonable care that may be characterized by the failure of auditors to follow GAS and the conduct of an audit is known as, so reasonable care is ordinary negligence. C32, individuals who believe they relied on misstated financial statements to make a decision and have suffered losses as a result will issue an action known as, and this is just more of a definition, a tort. C35, when a client sues an accountant for failure to perform consulting work properly, the accountant's best defense is probably based on contributory negligence. Now, if we look at the other options here, privity, not a good defense if we're talking about a client. Lack of dollar damages, that's never a good defense because people wouldn't sue you if there was not some kind of damages. So the only other option is no negligence. And so arguing or proving that you had no negligence probably isn't a winning strategy. So contributory negligence is probably going to be the best. C37, when accountants agree to perform a compilation or review of unaudited financial statements, the best way to avoid misunderstanding is always to use an engagement letter. So that's the best way to avoid liability of clients. Locke CPA was engaged by Hall Inc. to audit Willow Company. Hall purchased Willow after receiving Willow's audited financial statements, which included Locke's unmodified auditor's opinion. Locke was negligent in performance of the audit engagement. This negligence was caused by a failure to perform the engagement in accordance with the terms of the engagement letter. As a result, Locke's negligence, Hall suffered damages of $75,000. Hall appears to have grounds to sue Locke for what? And so at the very least, it's going to be breach of contract, right? So it says that they did not fulfill the terms of the contract. So breach of contract, certainly yes. And it also appears, because it says that they were negligent, that they could sue them for negligence as well. So A would be the best answer for that. And that is it for Learning Objective 2.